Yes, sir. Cool, man.
Can I see your license?
Yes, sir.
Where's the license?
Oh, my license disc. Sorry, man. My bolt here is falling loose. Here's my license disc. Here's my license disc. My driver's license.
Yeah.
There we go.
And then the jam, what are you doing with the jam here? You've got a bottle of jam.
No. It's for puncture
okay.
you see.
Oh, okay.
It's tubeless.
Oh,
I don't push this bike.
okay.
Tube is rubbish.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, it's my driver's license. I need to get the card. Okay, let me take off my face here.
Yeah, more or less. Almost.
Ah,
You almost.